Oh, good day and welcome to our channel. Well, another parcel has arrived from you know where. It's a surprise. Not a surprise. I told Mercy about it the other day. But it's to assist her in her work. Because I bought her, in 2019, I bought her a Chromebook because the Windows laptop she was using was, I think it was from the Bronze Age, maybe before that. Um, it had 2 gig of RAM. Don't remember how big the hard drive was, 500 gig, I think. But it would barely run Windows 7. It's running Windows 10 now. Um, it works okay, but it would be so slow. Every time you'd open up a different tab in Google Chrome, and then you switch back to the previous tab you just had open, it would have to reload. And Mercy works with multiple tabs, usually 125 open at any one time. She's sitting here laughing at me. She goes, I do not, I do not. She does. That's just the nature of her work. She has multiple tabs open. So anyway, I bought her an Asus Chromebook. And it's got 8 gig of RAM. And it's got I think it's got a 256 gig SSD internal drive. Not very big. I thought, she doesn't um, save a lot of files to her laptop. She's mainly working online. But as it turns out, I was wrong. She does download a lot of files, like photos of all the presenters. Then they have to be put into media releases and Facebook releases and all that sort of thing. And they stay there. So her drive was filling up. So anyway, I bought her a present to assist her because her computer is really slow. It's really slow because it's really full. Anyway, let's have a look at it. Okay, here we go. Let's find the way in. I think it's over here somewhere. Here we do. I've got those scissors that don't cut plastic again. But lo and behold, they do cut plastic. Oh, not sure what that is. I bought 2 of these because I want one for myself. I'll just unwrap one at the moment. Get the scissors. Have they got this stuck down? I'm working from behind the camera at the moment, and it's not easy. All right, it's the problem I have with scissors. I get my thumb in, and I can't get my thumb out. Here we go. On SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This is the 1 terabyte version. Has it got sticky tape on top? Yeah, of course it does. Let me just run a slicer through that. That's it. Ooh. Let's have a look at this little beastie. So you get the drive, the book, USB-C to USB-C with a USB-A adapter. Going to be the warranty information, which a bit like terms and conditions, nobody ever reads. So we got the USB-C. So there are USB-C ports on the side of her Asus laptop. So this should keep her happy for a while. Nice little unit. Rubber. No doubt you can drop it. Very nice. So I hope she's happy with this. Very nice little unit. They say that you can put one of those carabiner things on there and have it on a lanyard, should you so desire. And I bought myself the same, exactly the same. Good value. So we shall test that out later. She's working at the moment, so no doubt I shall have to plug it in and transfer the files across for her. And then she just has to remember that instead of saving to the downloads folder, a couple of extra steps, save to the external disk. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. The one I've got for myself is, it'll work on my current laptop, but I am upgrading my laptop soon, next couple of weeks. That'll be another unboxing video, so I won't say any more at the moment. So please like, share, subscribe, and see you all next time. Uru.